arrange and design our mini balcony. Ayan. But before I start, is just in case you haven't part of my family yet, please click the red button below and please include the notification bell para lagi kang updated every time I will post a vlog like this. So, let's start! Malinis na yung walls and then yung floors. And shout out to my brother Bayang for helping me. Ngayon naman is nalatag na namin yung mga wooden tile. Kaso ito kasi yung puzzle type, kaya kailangan ko pang ayusin. Ako naman yung mag-aayos no, na make sure na naka-intact na sila. So, let's go! Wooden tile namin, ganyan yung ilalim niya. And kumbaga parang puzzle nga lang siya na ilalagay mo siyang ganyan. Pakita mo. At na-secure na okay na yung mga wooden tile namin is finally yung aking favorite part na, which is ang fake grass. So, I'll show you. Medyo ano to, sobra talaga yung nabili kasi diba per meters yung bili nito. So, titignan natin kasi ikakat din namin siya dahil ito na lang na mga natirang space ang my grass. So, let's start! Fake grass. Yung fake grass kasi binili ko siya sa mismong shop kasi nandun na rin ako. Kaya, pero just in case na hindi kayo makalabas and you're looking for a fake grass, I will find a link or shop in Shopee para at least for your options. So, just go to my description box. I'm sure meron ako nalagay dyan. So, let's start with the fake grass. Ayan, yan yung binili ko. Papakita ko muna ng closer. Ayan, so medyo manipis yung likod niya. I only bought it for 450 pesos for 1 meter. Pero ang kagandahan naman nito is, ayan, kung makikita nyo, sobrang, yung kapal niya, okay naman siya. Ayan. At yung haba niya. Kasi yung sunod nito, medyo mas expensive na siya. Parang nasa 700 pesos na siya per meters. And out of stock. Actually, yun yung bestseller nila eh. Kaso na out of stock na. So, ito na lang muna yung binili ko. Detalye kung paano namin in-arrange with my brother. Thank you again, Bayang, for helping me out. And yun nga, kung ano yung nakita nyo, ayan. Ito naman ay hindi pang outdoor, no? And dagdag ko na lang din. Ito kasi, binili ko siya sa Walter Mart sa, I think, 2 months ago na medyo matagal na siya for only 900 pesos kasi nag-sale siya. And then, ito naman is binili ko, of course, sa Shopee for only 100 plus lang din yata. I can't remember na. And then the rest of the things here is sa akin na to. Of course, from BOHO FILIPINA arrangement. And this one is my favorite shell from Rawa. And then, yun. Lahat ng mga na-mention ko is hindi sponsored. And I will put the link in the description box below. Like what I said, most especially dito sa grass na pinakita ko. And of course, the tile, wooden tile. Yung wooden tile pala is, I like to give credit and of course, thank you sa aking sister-in-law, kay Ate Mai, kasi sa kanila to. So, binigay na nila sa amin. Kaya medyo mas malaki yung tipid. Actually, ang pinaka binili ko lang for the balcony is the grass and of course, this table and then the chair. Ayan. So, yun, don't worry kahit na hindi ko binili kasi to sa online, binili ko siya sa mismong shop. I will try my best, like what I said, na maghanap ng similar and then okay na shop sa Shopee. I-check nyo na lang yung description box. And also with the wooden tile, just in case naghahanap din kayo. Kasi it's a good combination of greens and then the woods. Yan. So sana nabigyan ko kayo ng another idea sa pag-aayos kahit na sobrang maliit lang yung space na meron ka kasi 'di ba in times of pandemic mas maganda nang hindi nga lumabas. So ikaw na mismo yung gumawa ng something if you have extra space na pwede kang makagalaw-galaw pa rin, like you can chill, you can do your work, 'di ba? Para at least hindi lang laging sa bedroom, sa living area, sa kitchen. So as much as possible if you have like small space, extra space pa, make the most out of it na lang. And then, yun, marami namang bagay na makakamura at makakamura ka pa rin naman. My next vlog is I'm going to share yung mga additional na ilalagay ko pa dito, like plants, and medyo may konti pa akong pine-prepare na para mas magkakulay itong balcony namin. So, don't worry, I'm going to share din yung mga yon once na dumating na sila kasi ngayon wala pa eh. Kaya ito pa lang muna yung laman. As much as possible. Siyempre, empty space para just in case na pwede na ulit mag-accept ng visitor like my family or friends, we can hang out dito sa labas. So just in case na na-enjoy nyo tong vlog na to, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and please share it to your families and friends. So, until my next video, bye! Don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home. Bye guys! Keep safe!